Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own book press for any bookbinding projects or anything that requires even pressure clamping. Purchasing a new book press or those cool antique ones can be insanely expensive, so this is just a super low cost and low waste alternative that gets the job done. I got this idea from Sea Lemon, so go check out her channel. She makes awesome videos on bookbinding. To get started, all you'll need is 2 pieces of wood, 2 wing nuts. I got a 1/4 inch, but these can be any size. 2 carriage bolts matching the size of your wing nuts, so mine were a 1/4 inch again. You'll need these to be long enough to hold 2 times the thickness of your wood plus your thickest book project. So I got 5-inch carriage screws, which allowed me more than enough room to fit a big, thick book in there. And 2 standard washers, again matching the size of your wing nuts. For the wood, you can use anything you have on hand, wooden cutting boards, wooden crates. I used this wooden tray I got off the Buns app, which is an app here in Toronto that lets you trade items with others in the community. Ideally, you want the pieces to be 9 by 12 or bigger, essentially leaving 1 inch for any 8 by 11 projects, which is my biggest book size. But if you plan to make larger books than this, so larger than a standard piece of paper, then you can definitely use larger pieces of wood, but I recommend screwing in the 4 corners instead of just the 2 sides for a more secure pressure. My tray was about 20 by 12, so I marked it and cut it in half, giving me 2 equal 10 by 9 pieces of wood and a bit of extra scrap for future projects. Once you have everything set, mark a center point on the shorter length and then mark a point 3/4 of an inch on either side using the center point as a guide. Make sure you do this for both boards unless you want to clamp them together as you drill them. Next, drill a hole through each dot, ensuring that your drill bit size is the same size as your carriage screw. I started small and then went bigger because my wood was pretty thin and I didn't want it to split. Now you can assemble your book press, so start by inserting the carriage screws from the bottom, throw on your washers, and twist on your wing nuts. And voila, now you have your own book press. This can be a super handy tool for drying cover pages, for flattening completed book projects, and for holding text blocks into place for gluing and drying. I hope this video was helpful, and stay tuned for more sustainable bookbinding videos coming soon.